Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to buy an app from the App Store on your phone. Let's get started. First, open the App Store on your phone and make sure you are logged into your account. At the bottom of the screen, you will see a different tabs like Today, Games, Apps, Arcade, Shorts. Tap on search if you already know the app's name. For example, type Procreate or any app you want. Once you see the app, tap on it to open its page. Here you will see the app details like price, screenshots and reviews. If it's a paid app, you will see your price button instead of get. Tap the price button and it will change to buy app. Tap it again. Your iPhone will ask you to confirm payment. Depending on your settings, you might use Face ID, Touch ID or your Apple ID password. Go ahead and confirm. After confirming, the app will start downloading automatically. Once it finishes, you will see the app icon appear on your home screen. Just tap the new icon and your app is ready to use. And that's it. That's how you buy an app from the App Store on your phone. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.